Instagram's giving you new ways to connect with your friends and maybe keep tabs on them. OpenAI's got a smarter ChatGPT, and Google's handing out free AI superpowers to millions of students. Let's get into it. Instagram just rolled out 3 big updates, all designed to make your feed feel more personal or more like a backstage pass to your friends' lives. First, repost. Now you can share your favorite public reels and post straight to friends' feeds, and they'll live in a dedicated repost tab on your profile. For creators, that means extra reach if someone shares your content. Second, the Instagram map. Opt in and you can share your live location with chosen friends, or just see where your friends and favorite creators are posting from. Parents also get added controls for teens. And third, the Friends tab in Reels, a new feed showing the videos your friends liked, commented on, or reposted, making it easier to start conversations and keep up with what they're into. Tech tip of the week. If you try Instagram's new map feature, double check your location settings. You can limit sharing to close friends or turn it off completely. Just go to settings, then privacy, then location sharing, and make sure you're comfortable with who's on that list. OpenAI just dropped ChatGPT 5, and it's their smartest AI yet. It's faster, more accurate, and can handle over 1 million tokens in a single conversation. Translation: it remembers way more context, so your chats can actually feel human. It's multimodal, text, images, audio, even video, and developers are loving it for coding. Oh, and for the first time, it can actually just say, I don't know, instead of making things up. Everyone gets access, but pro users unlock ChatGPT 5 Pro and a new thinking mode for deeper, more detailed answers. Google's going full opera for college students. You get AI, you get AI, you get AI. They're giving students in the US, Japan, Indonesia, Korea, and Brazil free access to their top AI tools for 12 months. That includes Gemini 2.5 Pro VO3 for instant video creation, Notebook LM, and 2 terabytes of cloud storage. There's also a new guided learning mode that acts like a tutor, walking you through problems step by step instead of just handing you the answer. And on top of that, Google's investing $1 billion into AI training, career programs, and research to shape the next generation of AI native professionals. 11 Labs, famous for AI voices, is now making music. Their new generator, they say, is cleared for commercial use. They've partnered with Merlin Network and Cobalt Music Group so independent artists can license music for AI training and earn revenue from it. It's a bold move in a space where lawsuits over AI music are still fresh. 11 Labs says their system is opt-in and built with safeguards. Whether this drives innovation or feels more legal drama, we'll see. All right, would you share your location on Instagram's new map, or is that a hard no? Drop your thoughts in the comments and share this with a friend who'd care. And hit that subscribe button so you never miss the latest from TechCity.